Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying versions and backing up critical files. This avoids disasters later. Once you know the app build and OS, locate mods that match that exact release and note required libraries. Next, download the mod package and checksum it to ensure integrity. If a package manager is available, prefer that. It resolves dependencies automatically. Make sure you have right access to the logging folder so installation can proceed without permission errors. Now install the mod and integrate its configs into your logging pipeline. If you use a package manager, run the install command and watch for dependency warnings. If manual, copy files to the designated directories and set ownership. Then merge configuration entries carefully, avoiding duplicate handlers. Once done, set log level and rotation to prevent disk bloat. Test with a controlled run to verify the mod emits FDR entries. Keep a diff of changes, so you finish by restarting the service and watching live logs to confirm FDR records appear as intended. If you don't see entries, increase verbosity briefly and inspect error messages. Missing dependencies or path misconfigurations are the usual culprits. Once verified, revert verbosity, set proper retention, and schedule a quick automated test to run daily. If anything breaks, restore from the backup you made earlier, and consult the mod's logs to pinpoint the failure before reapplying changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.